has got no certificate from Nema. For one to be able to carry out developments in a wetland, on a drainage channel of the Nakivubo importance or significance, you must be having an approval from Nema. Actually, the law, the Nema Act 2019, does not allow Nema even to authorize such construction. You go to the schedule. The activities allowed in a wetland are well stipulated in the Act. Even in Nema does not have powers to authorize such construction. It cannot happen. Yes, if it's to construct a drainage channel, that would be a different matter. That is, I don't need to labor that so much. That he has no Nema certificate. The other thing is what we have also discussed here. As the city authority, we have a Kampala Drainage Master Plan 2016, clearly providing for the architectural designs that are required if we are to construct our 8 primary drainage channels. They are architectural designs that we need in place. All this, whatever is doing, is of course against the Kampala Drainage Master Plan of 2016, which we are seeking to implement. And let me use this opportunity to first explain our issues that have been raised. That Hamis is a good Samaritan who has seen the mess downtown and is intervening to help the people of Kampala and help us. Unsolicited support is what is offering, we are told. This is the harvest of the highest. I mean, this is an absurdity of the highest order. An absurdity. That you find vacant land because I've got no money to develop it, and you grab it and develop it on my behalf. Is that what is going to, what you want to sanction? Just imagine that kind of situation. That simply because, yes, we have our Kampala Drainage Master Plan. The consultants indicated that we needed around 220 million US dollars. And for us, we planned and scheduled and said, if government would allocate us just 22 million US dollars a year, within a period of 10 years, we would have finished all the drainage channels in Kampala. Within the space of 10 years. From 2016, not now. That has always been our plan. 22 million US dollars per year, we embark on the construction of these channels. So what we have been doing is to pitch for support from outside the country, from development partners. We got some money from Africa, from World Bank, part of which we committed towards construction of Nakamiro and Rubiji. Never mind that the works which were done were not up to standard. Then